What if your doctor looked at your next labs and he saw your blood pressure, he saw your blood sugar, and he saw your A1C, and he started to sweat. He started to shake his head because he wasn't sure what you were up to. And words left his mouth where he asked you, how on earth did you do this? Ordinary men, everyday diabetic dads, have been reversing diabetes, getting their HbA1c into remission, and getting off of medication with this one simple habit. And the reason that this habit is so difficult to do is because we live in a world of consumption. We live in a world where you are constantly listening to music on the radio, listening to a podcast while you're working, eating food and watching YouTube or watching television. Maybe you're playing video games. Whatever it might be, we live in this world that is about constant snacking, consumption, music, scrolling, and because of that, we distance ourselves from God. We distance ourselves from the inner companion, the Holy Spirit. And what I've found to work best for the dads that reverse diabetes versus the dads that stay diabetic for decades, that stay on medication, that live a painful existence of medication and checkups and dialysis and operations and complications, and being afraid to check their blood sugar, being afraid to eat dinner with their family because they're not sure what they can and can't have. And the best way to reverse this, the best way to overcome this, and to easily lose the weight and easily get your A1C and your health back and your energy back and your life back, is biblical fasting. And what I'm talking about is pairing intermittent fasting, a few natural supplements, and prayer. And with this, fasting decreases your insulin and it increases your insulin sensitivity. The natural supplements help the healing process that blood sugar and high insulin has damaged your nerves with. And prayer allows you to set goals, stay disciplined, and stay on track when you're making this change.